If you live in an area with a frigid winter, heavy snowfall, and sub-zero temperatures, then winterizing your irrigation system is absolutely essential. For the controller, this involves enabling standby mode. Standby mode is a function designed specifically for controllers to get through winter conditions. It pauses all scheduled irrigation while active. Let me walk you through how to turn this feature on. First, click on Settings in the Settings menu and find the Standby Mode option right at the top of the Settings page. Clicking on Standby Mode presents two mode choices: Repeats every year and Set specific time. The difference is that with Repeats every year, Standby Mode will automatically activate each year at the set start date. Set specific time only activates it once at the specified time. After enabling Repeats every year, you'll need to set the start and end date, just the month and day. No year required since the system will remember the dates to repeat annually. Choosing Set Specific Time requires you to set the full start and end date, including year, month, and day, since it's a one-time activation. Whichever mode you pick, be sure to click Apply to save the settings, otherwise they won't take effect. Once successfully set, the controller will automatically enter standby mode on the chosen date, pausing all schedules, though you can still execute quick runs or manually water. You'll now see standby mode indicators in both the settings page and home screen. The home screen also has a turn off button to exit standby mode. That covers using standby mode on an Imolaza controller. We hope this video is helpful. For more information, please visit our website at imolaza.com.